Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences.
So our today's topic is how to set up COMFAST CF-XR186 Wi-Fi 6 extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this COMFAST CF-XR186 extender setup is the one of the best. A Netis Wi-Fi router is a device that connects to your modem and provides wireless internet access for multiple devices. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First, take your COMFAST CF-XR186 Wi-Fi 6 extender and plug it into a power outlet close to your main router. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes for the device to fully power on. The LED indicator will turn solid or start blinking, showing that the extender is ready for setup.
On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open Wi-Fi settings. Look for the network named COMFAST_XXXX. XXXX are numbers/letters unique to your extender. Tap to connect. No password required by default. Open a web browser, Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, etc. In the address bar, type http://192.168.10.1 or http://ap.setup and press enter. This will open the COMFAST Setup login page. Log into the admin panel on the login page, enter the default credentials, the username and password both are admin. Click Login. After logging in, select Repeater mode. The extender will scan nearby Wi-Fi networks automatically. You'll see a list of available Wi-Fi names, SIDs. Select your home Wi-Fi network, the one from your router. Type in your router's Wi-Fi password carefully. Keep the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, makes devices connect automatically. Set a new name, e.g., Home Wi-Fi_ext, helps you identify the extended network easily. Click Save or Apply. The extender will take 30 to 60 seconds to reboot and apply the settings. Once rebooted, it will automatically connect to your router. On your phone/PC, open Wi-Fi settings again. Connect to the extended Wi-Fi network, same name as your router or the new name you set. Enter your Wi-Fi password, same as your main routers.
For the best performance, place the extender between the router and weak signal area. Avoid thick walls and metal objects. Make sure the extender still receives at least 50 to 70% signal from the router. Now setup is complete.
I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry, contact our technical expert at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for these informative videos.